Hey everyone, today we're diving into Workik AI, an AI-powered Unity code generator designed to simplify game development. If you're looking to speed up your Unity projects, this tool promises to automate complex tasks and help you generate clean, ready-to-use code. But is it worth your time and money? Let's find out. Main features and tabs, dashboard clean and intuitive interface. Allows you to manage your projects, track progress, and access recent code generations. AI code generator. The core feature that generates Unity C# scripts based on your input. You simply describe what you need, like a player controller or enemy behavior, and Workik AI generates optimized scripts in seconds. Templates library, a variety of pre-built templates for common Unity functions. Great for speeding up the development of UI, NPC behaviors, and game mechanics. Debug and refactor tools. Automatically checks for errors and offers suggestions to optimize your code. Helps maintain clean, bug-free scripts without manual effort. Pros saves time, drastically reduces coding time, allowing you to focus more on design and gameplay. Beginner-friendly. Even if you're not a pro coder, Workik AI provides understandable and efficient code. Template variety. The pre-made templates cover a wide range of Unity development needs. Error detection identifies bugs and suggests improvements in real time. Cons: limited customization. Generated code might not always fit perfectly for advanced or highly specific tasks. Subscription cost. The premium version can be a bit pricey, especially for indie developers. Learning curve. While it's beginner-friendly, understanding how to tweak generated code still takes some practice. Is it worth it? So, is Workik AI worth it? Yes, but with some caveats. If you're a beginner looking to learn Unity or an indie developer trying to speed up your workflow, Workik AI is a great investment. However, if you're working on a complex game with custom requirements, you might still need to refine the code manually. Overall, it's a powerful tool that can save time and improve productivity. Ready to give Workik AI a try? Head over to workik.com and explore the possibilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.